Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is passive versus active techniques. So let's get started. In the realm of cybersecurity, network monitoring and information gathering, there is a distinction drawn between two types of tools, techniques or technologies, active and passive. These terms reflect the nature and mode of operation of these methods, whether they involve direct intervention in a situation or operate quietly in the background. Understanding these concepts is like understanding the difference between a lifeguard and a swim coach. The lifeguard watches from the sidelines, stepping in only when a swimmer is in danger, while the swim coach actively guides, corrects, and influences the swimmer's performance. Passive tools, techniques, or technologies are like the lifeguard. They quietly observe and monitor a situation without taking any direct action. The purpose of these tools is to record details, analyze data, and notify administrators about potential anomalies or threats. Picture a CCTV camera installed in a mall. It continuously records everything that occurs in its field of view but doesn't interact with or affect the people it's observing. Similarly, passive cybersecurity tools can monitor network traffic, checking for unusual patterns or suspicious activities. The advantage of passive tools is that their actions typically go unnoticed or unseen by the event or subject being monitored. Continuing with the CCTV example, shoppers in the mall may not even realize they are being recorded unless they actively look for the camera. Similarly, an attacker trying to breach a network is unlikely to know that a passive tool is monitoring their activities unless they specifically detect its presence. This stealth nature makes passive tools particularly suitable for information gathering, threat detection, and keeping an eye on ongoing activities without ordering potential attackers. Active tools, techniques, or technologies, on the other hand, are like the swim coach. They intervene in a situation to alter events or outcomes rather than merely observing. Active tools that take steps to rectify, mitigate, or influence a situation. These interventions could involve adjusting system settings, opening or closing network ports, or restarting devices or services, among other actions. A good analogy for active tools is a smart home security system. When the system detects an unauthorized entry, it doesn't just record the incident and alert the homeowner, it also takes proactive measures such as sounding an alarm, locking doors, or even notifying the local authorities. In the same vein, active cybersecurity tools could block a suspicious IP address from accessing the network, disconnect a potentially compromised device, or automatically update a vulnerable software to its latest, more secure version. However, the active nature of these tools means their actions are typically detectable by the event or subjects of the event. Using the smart home security system example, the burglar would immediately realize they have been detected when the alarm goes off. Similarly, a hacker might notice when their IP gets blocked or their connection gets dropped. This makes the active tools less stealthy than their passive counterparts. Each type of tool has its purpose and place. Passive tools are excellent for continuous monitoring, information gathering, and threat detection. They form the first line of defense, alerting administrators about potential issues. For instance, a network intrusion detection system is a passive tool that monitors network traffic, looking for signs of malicious activity. When it detects a potential threat, it alerts the system administrator but doesn't take any action to stop it. Active tools, conversely, are used for response, containment, and mitigation purposes. They act upon the information provided by the passive tools, taking steps to address the detected issues. A network intrusion prevention system, for example, not only detects potential threats but also takes automatic actions to block or prevent them, such as terminating the offending network connection. In the grand scheme of cybersecurity, both passive and active tools, techniques, and technologies play pivotal roles. They complement each other, providing a comprehensive layered defense strategy. Passive tools keep a watchful eye on network activities, looking for signs of trouble, while active tools step in to neutralize threats and minimize damage. Together, they help ensure the security and integrity of our digital systems and data. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.